It is lunchtime around here, and I made some homemade mac and cheese. Oh, it smells amazing. Ronnie's mother last night had ribs, and so she sent us home with some leftovers. And of course, they can't eat real spicy stuff, so I added a little spice to this to make it nice. And so this is for my honey today for lunch. I'm gonna get his plate made up. I've already got his drink. So happy, let's see, you'll see this Friday. So happy Friday, guys. Hello everybody, I know this is the first time you're seeing me today. I probably look like a mess. I just got done weeding the flower bed. And my allergies are going crazy, my cheeks are rosy, my face itches like crazy. I'm about to go take a bath, wash my hair. I don't have a green thumb to save my life. And my neighbor, who's the one that I go shopping with all the time, happened to be outside. I'm like, what is a weed and what is a plant? What is a weed? What is a plant? No, go ahead. Write me, make fun of me. It's all good. I'm fine with it. And so she showed me what needed to be pulled. Ronnie got down there. He was pulling weeds. We got 3 trash bags full of weeds. Unbelievable. I bleached my trash cans today. I did cook some lunch today, but now we're probably going to want to eat again later. So I think I'm going to make us a burger because I still have some of those frozen burger patties from Walmart. And I apologize that I did not film too much today so far, but you know, this weather has been, 1 minute it's hot, 1 minute it's cold, 1 minute it's raining like crazy, and we had a windstorm, and I don't know, everybody just seemed to be outside, and my day shifted from what I was going to originally do to pulling weeds and cleaning up the yard. Plus, something was said today, we are getting a new guy to come and mow our grass. Of course, I don't know when he's coming, but our grass needs to be mowed. And so I thought, well, I mean, he hadn't came yet. So my honey and I got out there and started pulling the weeds today. And it looks so much better, so much better. I know nothing about yard work. I'll be totally honest. If we pulled all the shrubs and cut down all the trees and, I know this sounds so bad, but just mulched everything, I would be happy because I have no idea what I'm doing. I can't keep a plant alive to save my life. But my mother-in-law is my neighbor, and a lot of the plants and stuff that is out there, she has originally planted. So obviously I don't want to yank them out, if you know what I mean. And there we have, I think, 6 pots out there, like up our walkway. All those flowers, see what I mean? Sorry about that, guys. Excuse me. All those flowers have rebloomed this year, and they're very pretty. And like I said, I don't know anything about them, but they rebloomed. And they're going to actually redo their porch on their house and paint and everything. But I was like, you can take the pots with you. And she's like, what, you don't like them? And it's like, it's not that I don't like them. It's just that I know nothing about plants. Like, I killed bamboo, y'all. I killed cactus I had in my house. I see these other YouTubers and they're constantly like planting gardens and planting flowers and getting, you know, very thrifty by canning their own vegetables and all this stuff. And I'm lucky to, you know, shill out money every month to have somebody cut the grass. That's the way I feel about it. Anyhow, anybody else out there non-gardeners? Because I don't know what I'm doing. Or non-flowers and all that. Anyhow, I'm itching like crazy. I'm going to go jump in a bathtub. Plus, I'm sweating to death. I don't even know if you guys can see my face. But Lord have mercy, I'm sweating to death. And anyways, I'm going to go run and take a bath. And then I'm going to get me some cold to drink. All that stuff is sitting on me, you know. And I'll be back. Hey guys, just checking in. Got my bath. going to devour this very yummy, can you see that? Spaghetti salad that my neighbor made me and brought over to me. And we are getting ready to watch the news. I am having a cup of coffee. I'm using the vanilla caramel. I've got fish and chips in the oven for supper tonight, something easy, and I'm watching the Hallmark drama channel. So that is what is going on right now. And I've switched over my wash. Real excitement. Fish is done. We're just going to have fish sandwiches, and then we're going to have spicy fries, and I'm waiting for those to get done. We like them crunchy, so we're going to let those get done. I'm going to get a loaf of bread and toast the bread and get my tartar sauce out. Ronnie loves tartar sauce, so he's going to get a lot of tartar sauce and some cheese, and that'll be dinner tonight. Really quick and simple, and believe you me, the way I feel after all the yard work I did today, simple is a good idea. Well, it is time to go to bed. Time to go to bed, guys. So every night I lower the blind, shut the curtains, and I cover, hopefully I can do this with one hand, cover the cage. There we go. Nighty night, guys. Nighty night.